slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Risa back here once again, and today we're going to be looking at the Legend Blue Jordan 11s. These are from YesKicks. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram, link is in the description. If you're new to the channel, show some love, turn on notifications, drop a like, subscribe, all that. And that's pretty much it. These took about 2 weeks to get here, give or take, double box, bubble wrapped, all that. I don't condone buying any of the stuff you guys see on your channel, on this channel. But you guys do what you want with your money, like I do in mine. Like I always say, I'm just trying to educate y'all on what you would get with the money you spend. So with that out of the way, let's get right into it. This is the seller information right here. So very old note here from when I first started, a little nostalgia, but yeah, there's all the information there. If you use that code there, I review stuff with 2 F's, you can save yourself $15 site-wide on your first purchase. So keep that in mind. With that out of the way, let's take a look at this box real quick. It's regular Jordan box there. You got the tag information. I don't know why it always does this like focus thing, but anyway, so you got the tag there, Nike Air on the side, and basically beyond that, it's just a regular schmegular Jordan box. Nothing crazy. Inside, give me a second, pop this open. You get that little checkerboard or that little carbon fiber kind of print there, paper, and that's it, nothing else. So no StockX tags, nothing. I actually haven't gotten any StockX tags from YesKicks in a minute, so I don't know if they're still doing that, or like if you gotta ask for it or what the deal is, but yeah, let me get a good focus there. There we go. Okay, so picking the shoe up, oh, dropping the shoe. Picking the shoe up here, you can kind of check out all the details. It actually looks really, really minty, man. None that I can see that's obviously wrong with them. 2-3 on the back. Some nostalgia there. I remember back in the day, people always used to say that sign had to be in the 3rd lace set. And there it is, in the 3rd lace set down. So unless you're including that top one there, but yeah, nice patent leather all around, as a Jordan 11 would be. And yeah, man, you guys can see for yourselves up close and personal what the quality you're dealing with is like. To be honest, I don't see anything crazy with these. I don't see anything that's super off or anything. There's a carbon fiber. It does make that little scratchy noise. It actually looks really good. I don't know how well you guys will be able to tell on camera, but looks good, feels good. Icy sole, outsole there, always a hit. Inside the shoe, got the Nike Air, size 9.5 men's. Where they put the size tag on this? You got that little tag, of course, here. I'll give you all focus there. But yeah, inside, shoe tree, of course. You got your little size tag down there. It's always tucked in on these 11s. But yeah, man, besides that, nothing really else to say about it. There's that shoe. Give you a good look at this one. Dealing with the same thing. Quality's on point. A little smush there, it looks like, but nothing crazy. Overall, the shoe looks really good. You guys be the judge though, as always. Jumpman looks on point too, no butt crack on that boy. Trying to keep these videos relatively short, so I'm probably gonna end it here, but you know, viewer retention has just been crazy over the last year. It feels like us as human beings, we're just not patient enough to sit through a 10-minute review anymore. We want it quick, short, and sweet. That's why a lot of people are doing well on TikTok, but that's just not me. I'm gonna keep it OG with the YouTube uploads, you know what I mean? So anyways, guys, show some love. As always, DMs are open on Instagram. If you have any questions, reach out to me on there. 9.5 men's there. Boom, same thing. Stitching's on point all throughout. But yeah, man, really nothing else to say about these. They're a nice, clean little pair of shoes here. Classic for the people that like 11s. These aren't personally for me. I'm not a huge 11 fan in terms of the retros, but that's just not me. I know there's a audience out there that does like these shoes and messes with them heavy, but it's just not me. But anyways, without blabbing on for too long, hopefully you guys have a blessed night, morning, whatever time you're watching this video. Stay blessed, keep enjoying life, man, and yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.